welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be learning how to check if your SIM card is being monitored. If your phone behaves strangely, such as having unusually high data bill, draining battery quick. If your phone behaves strangely, such as having unusually high data If your phone behaves strangely, such as having unusually high data bill, draining battery quickly, or restarting without cause, it could be a sign of SIM jacker attack or a spyware. It could be a sign of a SIM jacker. It could be a sign of a SIM jacker attack or spyware. And in order to check it, go to your dial, and type in *#62#call, and here you'll see some information which reveals where call go and when your phone is switched off or unreachable. And here you'll see informations like it reveals where calls go when your phone is switched off or unreachable. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.